ilalak po namin ito.
Isisil natin siya. Then ready for the machine. Yung tinatawag nilang BCM.
This is our BCM machine. Old counting machine po.
Then we're ready for the
I'll just get the
test
ballot
card.
number 1. SPS number 1.
Huwag ka manunod, sasabihin mo na, ha? Ha? Hindi tayo magkakaibang lahi.
Ito po yung first FTS ballot po natin. As you can see, ako po yung chairman. Meron po akong sariling security key receptacle. Yung aking member, meron din siyang sariling security key receptacle as well as my full work member. Ito po yung aming SD cards.
Yung A.
Okay. Yan po yung main memory po.
And then yung B.
At po yung D, yung backup SD card po natin.
Ready to close.
And then, ipa-power on na po natin.
Then ready to turn.
Bawat isa po sa amin, ang chairman, ang member, at ang poll clerk ay may kanya-kanyang password po. So as you can see, hindi pa po namin i-clear. Sa bawat isang FTS ballot po, aselyado po yan. Make sure yung security mo. So this is for the poll clerk member. This is for me, as chairman. Did you turn it on?
Para excuse, ha?
Ito po yung thermal paper po natin. Pag kinukuha po namin yan sa ballot box, selyado po yan. Meron po siyang sticker.
Ano sila?
Eh, sorry. Yan. Dito po natin siya ilalagay sa printer compartment. So, gagawin na po natin ang diagnostic test to ensure na
Gumagana siya.
gumagana po ang ating BCM machine. So, ako po yung chairman. I'll enter my